Cebu City sa may SRP. Alright, nakikita niyo po ngayon. Dito po itatayo yung napakalaking SM Cebu. At ang sinasabi po na mas malaki pa po ito sa all of Asia. Wow! About 2 years ago, nagsimula na po sila dito. 2 years ago po, nag-start na yung construction. Pinapangakong napakalaki at napakagandang SM dito sa Pilipinas. Dito po ilalagay sa SRP Cebu. Okay, so 2 taon na po namin dinadaan itong lugar na to. And tingnan nyo po. In 2 years time, ano po nakikita nyo? Pwede na ba mag-shopping? Right, if I go here, at sabihin ko po sa mga nagtatrabaho, pabili, magsha-shopping ako. Can I do that? Ay, pwede na ba tayo mamasyal? Sama yung mga pamilya, kumain? 2 years na. Bakit wala pa rin? Bakit ang tagal? Sabi niyo, meron SM na maganda. 2 years na, wala pa rin. Alright, so this brings me to the second word for my journey to success. My second word is wait. W-A-I-T. Wait. Walang pare-parehas po ito sa buhay. All these experiences, iisa lang po ang itinuturo sa atin. All of us. We want to succeed in this life. We should learn to wait. Aantayin ko po ba na matapos sila before I enjoy shopping in this world-class, bigger than Mall of Asia, SM. Kailangan ko po magantay. Can I complain now? Can I go to Henry C? At sabi ko, Henry C, sinungaling ka. Sabi mo, punta kami ng SM dito. 2 taon na, bakit wala pa? Alright? Anong lesson of the story? If you want to succeed in life, you have to learn to wait. There are some things in this life na hindi natin kontrolado. Kahit magalit po ako dito ngayon, kahit nag-welga ako, magtayo ako ng barikada rito, iparating ko kay Henry C na naiinip na ako. Will that work? Wala. It won't work. If I leave this place, if I go out of Cebu, then sabi ko, sinungaling yung SM na yan. Because of that, I will leave Cebu. Hindi totoo yung sinabi nila na magkakaroon ng SM. Alright? Will they stop constructing if I leave Cebu? Will I matter to them? Definitely not. They will continue building this SM even without me. Alright, so the lesson of the story here is we have to learn to wait. Hindi lahat ng bagay nasa kamay natin. May mga bagay po na wala tayong control. Yes, we are working hard. Yes, we are hoping. Yes, we have faith. But alongside faith is what we call waiting period. Everything in this life has a season. Alright, so habang tinitingnan po natin yung mall na to, it's been 2 years. At ano po kaya kong gawin? I just have to wait. And have faith na matatapos po nila po as they promised. That's journey to success. You have to learn to wait as they continuously work. Ito po sa kanilang napakagandang project. Okay? So again, this is Kiko up here speaking to you live here in Cebu City, Philippines. SRP. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. God bless everybody. Salamat po.